Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys, let's take a look at the gold market since we have replaced it with the Canadian dollar in the weekend and we have prepared the weekly research. So and it seems that we have done this correctly because as you can see, surely not big changes on the gold market by far. As we said, it seems that we were correct when we were talking about the completion of this large A, B, C, top, D pattern. And we said, when this retracement has started, we said, well, probably this retracement is doomed, mostly because market hasn't quite reached the target of this ABCD. That's why here you can't count on any significant bounce, because market has uncompleted target right below it. And usually when market starts retracement early, prior to the hitting on a major target, this retracement leaves very short-term time. So that has happened indeed. So you can see it's just this retracement has stopped suddenly and market has dropped further right to this target and has completed this ABCD pattern. So here some short-term retracement could start and could take place. Also, as you can see, this is not just the ABCD target, this is also agreement with the major 1210 fib level. From that low to this top, 50% support. This is natural support resistance here and here, as you can see. That's why one of the possible scenarios that we see here could become significant retracement up. We're not sure that this definitely will happen, mostly due to the real pace of the dropping. And from the technical point of view, this picture looks just perfect. If you're our long-term follower, then probably you should know that we talked about the head and shoulders pattern on the weekly chart for a long time already. Every research, when we are preparing the weekly research, we talk about this pattern. So indeed, take a look. That could become the left shoulder. That could become head, right? And one of the possible scenarios, this could become another shoulder could be formed with a deep retracement up before real downward drop will happen. That is the first scenario. At the same time, guys, we're a bit doubt with this spike because that was the turmoil around the election and how to treat it correctly. This is not quite the shoulder because market here hasn't quite reached the 112 even area. But at the same time, retracement up has stopped right at the same level, almost at the same level as the left shoulder. So, and that's some kind of the shoulder, but not quite shoulder, as you could understand. And that brings some shadow on the perspective of upward retracement here. So if this really indeed the shoulder has happened, then probably the market should drop lower because this retracement already has done. But if this is not the shoulder, in this case market still could show a significant upward retracement. That's the major concern right now. But whatever scenario will happen, either this deep retracement or drop immediate right down, we still expect moving to the 1160, 1170 area because this is very important. All other moments with this hand shoulders stands just perfect because take a look right on the second part of the bearish part of the hand shoulders. We really see very strong thrusting down, fast drop as bears have taken the control over the market. It's a very good sign. Also take a look at our ABCD pattern. This CD leg is just vertical, so it's even not just some gradual downward action, but it's just miserable drop. It means that even any upward action will happen here, we should get the downward continuation. When the market forms such kind of the ABCDs with the very fast CD leg, when it's dropping right to the 100% target, AB equals CD extension, it usually leads to further drop that could start either right now or after some minor bounce here. Okay, so that's what we see on the gold market. Currently, guys, by taking a look at the price behavior on the intraday charts, it's very difficult to expect any significant retracement. So take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart what we have. Yes, some minor bullish divergence, but it's not the really point. Market has completed this butterfly, finalized the target reaching of the ABCD pattern. But take a look at the nature of this upward bounce. So now our charts, it could be seen better. It's not just even upward reversal, because if you're suggesting the reaching of the deep retracement, the creating of the deep retracement on the daily chart, on the weekly chart, with the moving to the 1280 area, on the intraday charts, you should get the real signs of the thrust, the real signs of the reversal. It's very fast action should be to the upside, but here we do not see any sign of it. It's very gradual, very smooth action. Yes, market has moved above the weekly pivot, but nothing really interesting. It's very, very weak rebounding out from the 12 even area. Usually when you see such action, it's mostly leads us to conclusion that probably market should drop further here, or maybe some other pattern will be formed. So here we have the butterfly, but maybe market will form more extended pattern. For example, it could become the 3 drive. Maybe market will form here the 3 drive. So for example, if it will start dropping right from that level, as you can see, here is the crossing of the 127 of the first and of the second drive and 1618 of the first. So market could reach 1197 area before real reversal will start. This really also could possible. Some not just butterfly will be completed by, but maybe 3 drive. Anyway, the upside levels that we see here will be currently 1236. Next is confidence around 1255 area. 618 retracement 1285. Any of these levels are suitable for the upward retracement. If even market will hit the 1285, this will be absolutely normal, since in this case this will be, yes, so significant retracement, but it stands in a row with our expectation of the further action. It will not drop, it will not break the overall scenario that we have here. That's why let's keep watching. For us, most interesting point is not some upward bounce, but appearing of the gold at the strategical point of the long entry. So for us, major target, major idea is taking the long-term long position around 1160 area, but not the trading some retracement here. For the scalp traders, just watch for clear reversal patterns, because retracement really could happen, although we do not see right now the strong signs of it. Maybe they will happen a bit later, because market has done all preliminary work that is necessary for starting retracement. So target has been completed, market stands in support, a reversal pattern on the intraday charts has been formed if you're talking on the butterfly, or maybe will be formed if you're talking on the 3 drive. After that, retracement either should start, or market just should drop significantly and start action to the next level. So there are no third way for the market in this case. So that's our current view on the gold market.